fly so much higher.
Hello my hairstyles lovers, how are ya? Today I'll show you how to make this braided updo that you can recreate in minutes. We will begin by brushing our hair of course and then making a parting on the side we like. Now I want to select our front sections like I'm showing. And with the rest we want to take two small sections from this side and tie them both together in a ponytail. Tighten it a little bit and then grabbing the rest of our hair including this ponytail as well, we want to tie the ends, making sure on last time pull it only halfway through and tuck it into the first ponytail like I'm showing, fan it out a little bit and then fix it in place using two bobby pins, making sure you crisscross them. So if you have heavier hair than mine, it will stay in place. I'll use some smoothing product because of my frizzy hair, and grabbing one of these sections I'll begin a simple fishtail braid, but you can make here any type of braid that you like and it's easier for you, okay? But because I'm making a simple fishtail braid, basically we will divide it into two, grab a small tiny piece from one section and bring it to opposite one and repeat on the other side as well. Make it only halfway and then tug on the edge of the braid. Then you want to continue until reaching the end. Again, tug on the edge of the braid and tie it using a clear elastic. But on last time, make sure to pull it only halfway through so there are no ends sticking out. Now you want to repeat this braid on other side as well. Then grabbing one of those braids, you want to bring it backwards and pin it in place. Then grabbing second braid, you want to tuck it into the first one like I'm showing and pin it in place. And because I don't like any gapes showing, I'll pin in place my bun as well. Use some hairspray to fix it in place and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this braided bun. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. See you soon. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.